Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, it's Grwm, and today we are doing a super interesting Halloween related makeup which will actually be not that hard as it looks. This bad eyeliner that got around 100k views, and yeah, that's actually insane. Let's start by clipping my hair. Actually, I like to do it like that so that it will not ruin the volume, and I recommend to create kind of sketch on your eye using something like a white pencil just to make sure you have drawn the right direction of your eyeliner. Of course it fell. Okay. Here's what we are doing. So there will be 3 main lines that we need to follow. First line is like a line that continues down your eye, like that.
Let's count the number of times I said like that.
So it will go in the same direction that your eyelashes go, so they are going like that. This will be the first line, and we try to make it quite long, like that. So yeah, it is white right now. The second line is the line along which you usually do your eyeliner. So for me, it will be like 1 millimeter here, and then we just follow and like that. So this is how I usually draw my eyeliner. And the third line will be our crease line. So basically we just look where we have this crease and connect it like that. This will be 3 main lines. Let me correct it a little bit using your finger, and just correct everything very easily. So this is what you get. And firstly, you just draw your usual eyeliner. I do it like that. Just follow your lash line for 1-2 millimeters and then follow this angle. And then connect this angle with the center of your eye. Look, it doesn't have to be perfect, but at least we have something like that. Now we can actually clean it up a little bit using this thingy and micellar water. Okay, so that we have very sharp angle. Second step is to create another line which will be above, like that. You can make it a bit longer if you'd like. Then you take this thingy and just wipe it off a little bit, like that, so that you will look almost perfect. Okay, after this, you just follow the line right here. Yeah. Next step is kind of scary for you guys, but it's actually extremely easy. You just have to connect these 2 parts using this kind of a technique where you draw a line like this and then kind of make it a little bit round and to the left. So you basically draw it like that and that. Okay, so we are drawing it down, 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 and a bit to the left. Yep, you can clean it up using our nails or these thingies, everything you want. And the same thing goes here. Don't worry if it's not perfect. You will just connect them and wipe the necessary product off. Okay, if you like sharpness, you can make it sharper like that. So just make this thingy a bit longer and then wipe it off using your nails, for example, like that, to make it. Okay, yeah, this is what we have. Maybe I would like to make it a little bit longer. Yep, and now we have to connect this thingy with this thingy. So we will make kind of triangle. Like that. And if you'd like, you can fill it in, or maybe you can leave it like that. I will fill it in. Yep, this is what we get. It's perfect. It looks like that. And now we have to correct it a little bit. Okay, after this, you can add some orange eyeshadow if you haven't done it yet. I prefer to do this eyeliner in the beginning of my makeup. If I mess something up, it will not leave these spots and I will just cover them with my foundation. Now I have to draw another one. Okay, so I finished, and after this, as you can see, I have a white stripe here and here I don't. So basically I can just take the same pencil I used, or if you have it, you can also use something like white liquid eyeliner, which will be even better if you have it, but I prefer to use white pencil because it's actually easier to work with it. Taking the orange eyeshadow, I'm gonna pick the color like this, it's like coral or something, and I'm just gonna add this color, so I will make it look kind of softer, you know, it will not be so bold. And by the way, if you apply any eyeshadow on white color, it will look way brighter, so basically it looks really nice right here. Okay, like that. And we take the same color and add it to the outer corner of our eyes, like that, right next to the eyeliner. So we will create this bold eyeshadow look, like that. And after this, I'm gonna use this one, which includes a little bit shimmer in it. The center of my eye is the most sparkling part of my eye. Don't forget about the lower lid. You can add some brown eyeshadow right here and right here. And also it would be extremely nice if you have a black eyeshadow, and here you can actually add it with a brush like that. It must be flat, as you can see, yeah. And then you just pick completely black eyeshadow and put it right to the line where your lashes are, like that. As for the lashes, I am wearing lash extensions. That is why I don't actually use mascara. But if you do, apply it please in the end of the makeup. And apply it really carefully. If you ruin this look, I will not forgive you. I'm sorry. But yeah, you have to actually take risks. Okay, so here we are done, and if you want, we can add some more sparkle using this golden highlighter. I'm gonna add some like that, and like that. A bit on my nose, everywhere, on my cheekbone I have already got some highlighter, but I will add a little bit more, and yep, I guess that's it. So guys, if you are wearing this makeup for a photo shoot, don't forget to apply powder. You can use a baking technique. Okay, as for my baking, I'm using a sponge and a loose powder. I'm just applying it under my eyes like that, real quick, just to make sure I will not actually shine. A makeup like this, you can also apply a little bit of green highlighter in the inner corner of your eye, so it will be a little bit more shiny, and also you can apply it on a waterline near this inner corner. This way it will look like you are shining. So guys, this is my final look. I hope you enjoyed. If it is really like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's Kira Life, and see you in the next video. Bye!